welcome to MeasureMacrame. So the purpose of making this bag was to write something, and that is also big letters. So I'm going to write, I have written Namaste on one side, which is like a Hindi and in Hindi, and on the other side I've written bonjour to say hello in France. So as you can see, I've written all the rest of the letters of bonjour except B. So I'm going to show you how I have done bonjour. So if you can see, in B we need a straight line and the two curves. So I have marked it down. How will I do with the yellow color, and then I'm taking one 2 meter of cord. We can take shorter or longer cords here, and because we can add in between and do. So as you have seen, I have used larkhead knot to tie the cord in the first, and using crochet hook, and then I am putting on both end I'm putting the needles, which are the plastic needles. So if you see, I'm gonna make double hitch knot on both sides, so it's kind of 4 round you will see on one tap. So this is how I'm doing. So it won't be exact straight lines, it will be kind of jaggy pattern, but still in the straight. So what I do to make a straight line, if you see here, I am just trying to tie like double hitch knot with both cords. So as I say, what I did is take a one line of knots and keep that in the middle. So keep following that, and to follow that either on the right or left side, just keep connecting those empty bits so that it looks like a line. Like here, it's not straight because underneath there is a knot, so you cannot connect really. So to connect that, I'm just taking the next connected 2 bits, empty bits, which are either you can take this side or the other side. So it depends how you mark it down. So you have to basically mark it down in the beginning, so that it can be easier. Make a mind map how you will write or what you will write. So and then keep connecting your empty bits so that it looks together in a same line. And this is how I'm going to do it. So keep watching and hope you enjoy it, and hopefully it will be helpful in creating your own. Thank you so much. So I wanted to mention one thing. When I connect the two empty bits to for a line, what I do is usually the nearest one I take first, and then farthest one, because it changes when we do a straight line. It changes every time. It changes the next bit, which one you're going to take next. So the first like here, if you're tying first this one, then it's going to be the first on the other side, and the next time it's going to be the last on the other side. Oh, I didn't record it. Well, it's okay. I don't think I need it.
And you still on the thing.
I can still do, but just that why can't I see it? So if you see, I've connected the line, I've finished the whole line, and now I'm trying to connect these circles of the bee, and I've dotted them already, and then now I'm going to finish weaving them. So keep making double hitch knots. So I'm only using these needles because it's easier to pull the cords out for making knots, because there's a very less space for making them. So that's why I have used these needles to finish it, and it really comes out nicely. So I am using 2.5 mm cotton twist braided cord for writing, and the bag is made out of 3 mm braided cord. So here I am trying to complete and join this B, the second round of the B, and it will be complete by then, and then that's it. So I think that's how you can just imagine your letter and pinpoint in on your bag if you're making any of them, and you can finish your writing or drawing whatever you want. You can make your characters like pandas or any other. You can make love hearts, whatever like this, and that's it. That's about it. It's not something very difficult on this one, and I found it really easy with by seeing that my all the letters has come out really good. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully it is helpful for you.